This video is about installing Earpads on the Sony INZONE H7 and H9. Please note that H9 Generation 2 is not compatible with this product. Inside the misodiko package, there is a pair of Earpads and a plastic spud drawer. This plastic spud drawer is very important. It must be used during removal. The Earpads on these headphones are attached with clips, so they cannot be removed with bare hands. With the plastic spud drawer of misodiko, the Earpads can be taken off. But technique matters. Starting from the bottom makes it harder. However, if prying from the side, it can be removed very easily. Installation is simple, just align the clips and press down. Then do the same for the other side. Prying from the side makes removal much easier. The whole installation is done. Let us see how it looks in the end. Please be aware that this Earpad product is not compatible with the H9 Generation 2. Many thanks for watching and for the continued support of misodiko products.